Do you ride?
Yeah, I do. I have a mutt.
A dog?
Ceredigion Bikers!
How's Wales treating you?
Ceredigion.
Ceredigion.
I'll prompt you.
Thanks, mate. We are in Wales today with Ceredigion Bikers who have come to help us today on a UKBIKERGIRL and Visualskies shoot. Introduce yourself.
My name's Andrew. I live in Forth in Aberystwyth, and I joined Ceredigion Bikers about 6 weeks ago, a couple of months ago. I had to buy a new bike.
What happened to the last one?
Didn't allow it on it.
Just got influenced.
Okay. What are you riding
bike.
today?
The Z900 today.
Ooh, tasty.
Yeah. It's
How's
nice.
that handling around the Welsh hills?
Very well behaved.
Yeah?
Very well behaved bike. I'd recommend it to anyone here.
Not at all.
Obviously not as good as a Harley, obviously.
Well done. Well briefed.
Thank you.
Well briefed.
How much do I get for that?
A lot.
Good.
A lot of money. Okay, so going on to our next. Who's on the Ducati Scrambler? One of my favourites. Oh, he's just having a chill. It's alright, we can sit down together, babe. How's Wales treating you?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How long have you been with Ceredigion Bikers?
Oh, a few months.
Yeah.
When I moved to Wales, I joined them.
Who's your least favourite?
Biker or bikes?
Biker.
Biker. Oh, it's got to be Mark.
Mark? Troublemaker.
Yeah.
Who's your favourite?
You are.
Glorified Ceredigion biker lady. That's
Yes.
me. Why have you gone for the
Honorary.
Ducati Scrambler?
Oh, I just love the Scrambler, and it's perfect for commuting to work.
Yeah.
Because I work in a very remote location, and I need something like this. I'd like to have a bigger bike and a faster bike, but
It's not that bad though. Come on,
Oh, no,
what's that?
it's not.
600?
8.
I think you need much more than 8.
My
saying that, I have got
last
12.
bike was a CB 1000. But no, this is perfect for the narrow lanes and rough road. It's just great. I love her. She goes really well, and I can throw her around the road as if it was a bicycle. It's just brilliant. I love it.
Perfect. Well, have you enjoyed filming today?
I have. I really have. Yes.
A lot of fun.
Yeah, but I don't think I'm going to make a film star.
I think you are. Bollocks.
I think I'll keep my day job.
I think you should join us. Come do some more. Right, who's on the next one? Here we go. Oh, he's having a cheeky fag. Introduce yourself, come on.
My name's Pete.
Pete.
I'm from Lampeter.
Fag stinks.
I've been
got a-
part of Ceredigion Bikers for over a year, and yeah, they're a good bunch. Good laugh.
Who's this? Wait,
This is my Kawasaki Versys.
who's this on the front?
That's well, I don't know. That's just my little emblem to
I like
help
him.
for-
I think
for
we
the
should
Wales.
name it.
Yeah. There you go, then. There's one for you for on your bike.
Yes!
There you go. All right. That's my lucky charm. I take all over the place, so I don't.
I love
Oh,
these
hang on,
boys. They're the best.
Yeah, good there, yeah. So
Thanks. That's going to go on my Harley.
yeah, you'll have to call it something. But I haven't. No, it's a good bunch. Yeah, and I've done some touring on it. Did all around France on it.
Amazing.
Hence all the stickers on the side. Yeah, it's great
How
fun.
long have you been biking?
A fair few years.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I've only had this for about a year now, so
But enjoying it.
yeah, it's great fun. Yeah, great fun.
Amazing.
Very fast. Very. Yeah, it's good.
We're going to go for these
Good,
chat
yeah,
boxes.
all right.
Right, come on. Talk me through this absolute beast.
Well, it's a 93 Harley Sportster,
Yeah.
which has been fettled a little bit by a nice gentleman down in South Wales. Give him a brief and he's done it to the T, fair play.
I sit on it. I was sitting on this earlier and fell slightly in love. You've lowered it quite a lot though, right?
Yeah.
Well, you've obviously chopped the back,
Yeah.
lowered it. What CC is this?
It's a 1200.
Same as mine.
Yeah.
I never thought I'd enjoy high bars. I didn't think I'd ever be that person, but
It's quite comfortable in
I think I could be some like gnarly Hells Angel or Ceredigion biker instead. Ceredigion, there you go. And how long have you been riding?
Riding since I was 17.
17?
Yeah.
2 years ago.
2 years ago, yeah,
years ago,
exactly.
Yeah.
2 years ago.
And what got you into it? Just your friends were doing it?
Yeah.
Like to be a rebel?
Just progression.
Come on, introduce yourself.
Dave. Been with this lot a couple of years, and that's about it really.
Come on, what are you riding?
Oh, it's 650 on there.
And a Harley, Dave.
You've
and
got a Harley.
I've got a Harley
He's
as
my
well, but
Harley
it's
friend.
in the
No one
garage.
else likes Harleys around here, apart from one man who I think I've persuaded to actually buy one.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome. Welcome, this one.
How are you doing? You alright?
So, what you on?
I'm on a Reptile Fireblade.
Right, and who have you been playing today? Because you played quite a pinnacle part in our film.
I've been playing the main man. This one here necked my bike. And yeah, it's a nice bike actually. And
You're a
I've-
Harley convert.
Yeah, I am. I'll be honest. I never thought I'd ever ride a tractor. But today, the day has come. And I have been converted. And they're not tractors anymore. Really, really nice bikes.
Did you find it hard getting into the role today of, well, complete arsehole?
Yeah, yeah, I really did, because I'm a really, really nice guy, you know. I'm saying, you know, I started Ceredigion Bikers 5.5 years ago, and you know, and it's just thrived. We've got some really, really good members, and you've got to be Mr. Nice Guy, haven't you?
Of course
And
you
that's
do.
what it's all about.
And how many women have you got in Ceredigion Bikers?
We have actually got a lot of women members in the group.
Yeah.
We've got 3,500 members, and I would say more than 1,000 are women.
That's amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
And have you seen, are they all sort of the same age? You've got your young girls coming up?
No, we haven't got anybody really young. We've got, I would say, the late 30s here,
Okay.
I would say. And they do come out with us on Sundays on spins. And yeah, it's a good day out. You know, we enjoy our spins on the weekends.
Good. Well, I think we're definitely going to come to Wales in the summer and do some more of this amazing filming. But for now, this has been amazing. We've had an amazing shoot. So thank you to all of the I can't fucking say it. I'm going to say it again. Ceredigion Bikers. I'm not very good at Welsh. For joining us today, and I can't wait for you to see the end result. Thank you.